my friends. Welcome to New York City. I'm so excited for you. This city is like a giant playground for grown-ups. It's a place where every corner has a story. The energy here is electric. You can feel it the moment you step outside. It buzzes in the air, it moves through the people, and it will definitely get into you. Look up. The buildings are so tall they seem to touch the clouds. They scrape the sky. It's a concrete jungle where dreams are made, and I promise you, you're about to have the adventure of a lifetime. Just smile at people. You'll be amazed at who smiles back. Now let's talk about the big stuff, the icons. You have to see the Empire State Building. Going to the top is like climbing a mountain, but with a really fast elevator. The view from up there, unbelievable. You see the whole city laid out like a map. Then there's Times Square. Oh my goodness. It's a whirlwind of lights, sounds, and people from all over the world. It's bright, it's loud, it's a little crazy, and it's pure New York. You can't help but stop and stare. It's like being inside a giant television screen. It's a beautiful, chaotic symphony. Don't forget to find some green space. Central Park is the city's amazing backyard. It's huge! You can walk for hours and discover new things. There are bridges, lakes, and even a castle. People are jogging, playing music, having picnics. It's a peaceful escape, right in the middle of all the action. And you absolutely must, walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. The view of the Manhattan skyline from that bridge is something you will never, ever forget. It's one of those moments where you just have to stop, take a deep breath, and say, wow, I'm really here. Okay, let's talk about the most important thing, the food. New York is one of the greatest food cities in the world. You can find anything and everything here. But first, we have to start with the classics. Pizza. A New York slice is a work of art. It's thin, it's wide, and you have to fold it to eat it. That's the rule. The crust is crispy but chewy. The cheese is gooey and delicious. Find a local pizza shop, a little hole-in-the-wall place. Order a plain slice. It's simple, it's perfect, and it's a true taste of the city. It's a meal and a cultural experience all in one. Next up, a New York bagel. Forget any other bagel you've ever had. These are special. I don't know what they do, maybe it's the water, but they are magical. They are chewy on the inside and have a perfect crust on the outside. Go to a real bagel shop in the morning. The bagels are still warm from the oven. Get one with cream cheese or maybe lox. It's the breakfast of champions here. But the fun doesn't stop there. The streets of New York are like a global food festival. You will see food carts everywhere. Don't be shy. These carts serve some of the most delicious food in the city. You can get a hot dog with all the fixings from a street vendor, or try some halal chicken and rice with that amazing white sauce. I dream about that sauce. You can find tacos, souvlaki, dumplings, and so much more. Just follow your nose and look for the cart with the longest line. That's usually a good sign that something wonderful is happening there. Eating in New York is about more than just filling your stomach. It's about connecting with the culture. Every dish tells a story of the people who brought it here from their home countries. It's a city built by immigrants, and their food is their gift to all of us. So be brave. Try something new. Talk to the person making your food. Ask them about it. Food connects us all, my friends. It's the universal language of I love you. Now, how do we get to all this amazing food and these beautiful sights? We take the subway. I know it can look intimidating. It's a maze of tunnels and trains, but trust me, it's the best way to travel like a real New Yorker. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's an adventure in itself. Just get a Metro card or use your phone to tap and pay. Look at the map. Find the line you need. Know if you're going uptown or downtown. It's simpler than it looks. Before you know it, you'll be swiping and riding like you've lived here your whole life. The subway is also a fantastic place for people watching. It's a moving theater. You'll see people from every walk of life. You'll hear dozens of different languages. You might even see some incredible musicians playing for spare change. They are often amazing. When you're not underground, you'll be walking a lot. New York is a walking city, so wear your most comfortable shoes. I cannot stress this enough. Your feet will thank you. Walking is the best way to truly see the city. You miss so much when you're in a car. On foot, you can discover a hidden little park, a quirky shop, or a beautiful old building. The city is built on a grid system which makes it easy to navigate. Avenues run north and south, streets run east and west. It's like a giant piece of graph paper. You can't get too lost, so walk with confidence. Walk like you know where you're going, even if you don't. That's the New York way. Look up at the architecture, look around at the people, feel the rhythm of the sidewalk, and please remember the unspoken rules. Don't stop in the middle of a busy sidewalk. If you need to check your map, step to the side. Keep up with the flow of pedestrian traffic. It's like a dance, and once you learn the steps, you'll feel right at home. Manhattan is amazing, but New York City is so much more. Each neighborhood has its own personality, its own flavor. Take a trip to Brooklyn. It's just across the bridge. It has a cooler, more laid-back vibe. You can explore artsy neighborhoods like Williamsburg or walk through the beautiful brownstone-lined streets of Brooklyn Heights. Harlem in Upper Manhattan is rich with history and culture. You can hear amazing gospel music in a church on Sunday morning or listen to live jazz in a legendary club. It's a neighborhood with so much soul. Then there's Soho, with its famous cast iron buildings and cobblestone streets. It's a paradise for shoppers, with high-end boutiques and art galleries everywhere. You can spend a whole day just wandering around, window shopping, and admiring the beautiful architecture. Each neighborhood is like a small town within the big city. Exploring them is how you find the real New York. It's where people live, work, and create. It's where you find the little family-run restaurants and the unique shops you can't find anywhere else. So, venture out. When the sun goes down, New York puts on a whole new show. The city lights up and the energy changes. It becomes even more magical. You have to experience the nightlife. One of the best ways to do this is from above. Find a rooftop bar. There are so many of them now. Order a drink, look out at the sparkling skyline, and just take it all in. Seeing the city from a rooftop at night is like looking at a sea of diamonds. It's romantic, it's breathtaking, and it's a memory you will cherish forever. It makes you feel on top of the world. Another incredible nighttime experience is a skyline cruise. Get on a boat and sail around the island of Manhattan. You'll see the Statue of Liberty lit up, glide under the Brooklyn Bridge, and watch the city twinkle from the water. It's so peaceful and beautiful. The city that feels so big and loud during the day becomes a quiet, glittering spectacle at night. This is the New York you see in postcards, and it's real. So go out and enjoy the night. The city is waiting for you. This is your grand finale, and just like that, your trip might be coming to an end. But don't be sad. New York has a way of staying with you. The energy, the sights, the sounds, the tastes, you'll carry them with you long after you've gone home. You came, you saw, you ate, and you became a part of it. So until next time, my friends, keep exploring, keep eating, and keep smiling. The world is a wonderful place, and New York is one of its most exciting chapters. Farewell for now.